Hello everybody, another unboxing here. It's a paper gang one. I will find other things to unbox soon, I have no doubt, especially with ye olde Christmassy coming up. I apologise for that, but you know how it be. Let's open this bad boy up. It's got a lovely seasonal theme, snowy, snowy, snowy. Just once I would like to be able to open them without that happening. Right, do it from the other end. I don't know why it should work from both ends. They have a flappy bit to hold on both ends. Right, let's open this. Ooh, 'tis the season. 'Tis the season for gift cards. Yep, stuff. Anyway, let's get on with the unboxing. Designed by Benjamin Flau. Nice. Right, let's have a look at this one. Da, 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 da. Open the paper, what's inside? Oh, this looks very swish. Wow. Some gift tags. Gift tags, plain gift tags. Two different designs on, so you got like a piney. No, it's a pineal, that's not right. You've got some Christmas cards, say happy holidays, with happy holidays, and actually let me open this up because I can't bloody see what it is. So you've got happy holidays, two happy holidays, season's greetings, oh that's cute. And Merry Christmas. Oh, I do love a Merry Christmas mountain, so to speak. Ooh, shiny. And it. Oh. Ah, nice. It's very pointy though. Squiggle, squiggle. Squiggle my jiggle. This notebook belongs to me. Ah, proper. For noting things down. Feel his fabric boy. Oh, look, and a little coaster. Oh, that's cute. I have two coasters now. I have one coaster that I use all the time, as you can probably see by the coffee rings and tea rings. And this new one. So that's pretty. That's cool. I will use that. But this is cool too. But yeah. So that's a really nice little box of goodies. So you got seasonal, just in time. I'll open this one up and you can have a look at the gift tagos. Two of those ones. I like the fact that it's paper string as well. That's quite nice. Nice touch. That's very swish. Very seasonally feeling. See that? This one's quite nice because it's kind of seasonally, but it's not too seasonally, so you can use it all year round. Give it a little riffle. Give me a little rub. It's all good. I'm hoping that the origami this month is something. Oh, hello, what's this? Ah, an unexpected item. Hey, this is, I assume this is wrapping paper. Yeah, looks like a very swish piece of wrapping paper. Although I may use it for other stuff, I think, because it's quite thick wrapping paper. So it's big piece of wrapping paper. So I think I will probably printed it on forestry something commission certified paper. Paper gang illustration by Benjamin. So it could be a poster, I don't know, maybe it'd be rude when I say so. Oh, it's so annoying. I need to figure out how to fold things again. There we go. It's actually got in it. Has linen notebook with ribbon and gold foil stamping, gift wrap sheet. Yeah, so it is a gift wrap sheet. So that's, I think it's too nice for gift wrap though. It's really mini Christmas cards with hot foil detail and craft paper envelopes. Gift tags includes craft twine. It's actually paper. I mean, it's craft coloured. Yeah, and gold ballpoint pen, gold finish ballpoint pen with etched logo finish. See, look. So it has a paper gang logo on it. I don't know if you can see. This is pretty nice. I mean, it's not real gold, obviously, it's just gold coloured. But you never know. So that's a very cool little box of goodies for the seasonal stuff. You also have the little gift ideas from the company itself. So, you know, that's all good. You know, adverts for their clubs like the Cactus Club and the Jewellery Club and the Artful Box. But yeah, I'm quite pleased with that one actually. I keep touching this because it's quite touchy-feely. But these will come in handy. Seasonal, festive gorgeousness, like you. Anyway, thank you for watching that, and please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.